R tab.
Hello everyone, this is Jake Gross, and today I'm going to do a podcast on the classic Windows desktop themes. These were themes that allow you to customize your computer with different sounds and icons and stuff like that, and wallpapers and all kinds of interesting stuff. Most of it was visual stuff, but there were lots of interesting sounds as well. What I'll be demonstrating today is I'll be demonstrating an installation program that I made for this. I used the Dolphin installer to make an installation script for all the themes and stuff. I'll be installing this in Windows NT 4, and that Windows NT 4 VM now just includes JAWS, so it's better than Desktop Reader in NT 4, because Desktop Reader keeps saying question mark instead of the items in the start menu. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to the website in the VM. We're going to go to groovking.com with the Internet Explorer in the virtual machine. So I will press Windows M.
Folder view list. Audacity 2 of 11. VMware Player 7 of 11. VMware Player non-commercial use only. Welcome. Create.
Open the virtual machine. I didn't have
Open virtual. Tree level extract level 3 Windows 9 Windows collapsed 10 of 12 Windows and items selected. VMware Player non-commercial. Edit play virtual machine button. I'll tell.
We're gonna play the virtual machine.
Unavailable. Edit multi-line read only. Selected Windows NT 4. Soft remote window pane.
And we're just gonna wait a couple minutes for this to boot up. JAWS should come up telling us to press Control-Alt-Delete. And that's another thing about JAWS. In Windows NT 4, Desktop Reader did not tell you when the Control-Alt-Delete was. If you had a PC speaker in your machine, you would have to just press keys until you hear a beep. But if you don't have a PC speaker, well, now you have a virtual machine that will tell you when to press Control-Alt-Delete. To install this, you need at least 10 megabytes
JAWS
of hard
for Windows
disk
is ready.
space. Oh, JAWS.
Begin logon dialog. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus delete the logon. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus delete the logon.
So now JAWS is telling us to press Control-Delete. I'm going to do that.
Logon
Secure
information
desktop.
dialog. Enter a username and password that is valid for this system.
Windows NT 4.0 VMware Player non-commercial use only.
Yes, that's the password. Let's just go through this dialog.
Tab OK button to activate. Press spacebar.
Log on.
Tab cancel button to activate. Press
I'm
spacebar.
just curious, what will the cancel button actually do?
Tab help button to activate.
button.
Press tab shutdown button
Shut
to
down.
act. Tab username : edit admin. Tab password : password edit. Type in text.
There's no
Alt
password.
P. Tab OK button to activate. Press spacebar.
And let's press enter on the OK button. I'm actually curious what the cancel button will do. I think it will just shut down the VM, but for this demonstration, I'm gonna press the OK button. Or let's just press the cancel
Tab
button.
cancel but enter. Begin logon dialog. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus delete the logon. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus delete the logon. Tab.
Oh, it just brings it back.
Secure
Logon.
desktop.
Information dialog.
Windows NT
Enter a
4.0
username and
VMware
password
Player
that is
non-commercial
valid
use
for the
only.
system. Password : password edit. Type in text.
None of
Alt
that
P.
fooling around this dialog. I'm just gonna press enter.
Enter. Activation dialog. Start activation button. Desktop list view. Not selected by computer. 1 of 8. desktop, tab, desktop, tab, start but tab, taskbar, alt tab, activation, tab, active tab, exit, space, JAWS dialog. To run this product in 40-minute mode, you must reboot your computer. If you are getting this message immediately after rebooting, please contact Freedom Scientific Support by sending email to support@freedomscientific.com. OK button to activate, press spacebar, enter.
I'll press enter. I'll press Windows M to go to the desktop. J, enter. Okay, JAWS should be starting up.
JAWS for Windows is ready. Activation dialog. Start tab. Active tab. Exit. Space. Taskbar. To move through items, press left or right arrow.
Press Windows M.
Windows M. Desktop. List view. JAWS 6. I. Inbox. I. Internet Explorer. Enter. 1%. https://winworld.com/Microsoft Internet Explorer. Security alert dialog. URL tab. In the view tab. More info tab. OK button to act space. https page. Cannot find server-Microsoft in.
Okay, I'll just press Windows D.
Alt D. Address edit combo. http://winworld.com/0 items. To change the selection, use the arrow keys. Address edit combo. http://winworld.com/0 items.
I'm gonna type in grossgang.com.
GROSSGANG. Enter. Grossgang.com. Grossgang.com. 1%. 100%. Page has one heading and 17 index.
Okay, I'll press insert F7.
Links list dialog. Utilities.
Utilities.
Enter. Page has one index. Links list dialog. Links C. Index of /utilities. Internet Explorer 5-6.jkm-JAWS Keyboard Manager. List view. Graphic 284. Internet Explorer 5-JAWS. Internet C. Cakewalk Pro Audio.
Wait.
C. Calc 2000.
Wait a minute.
Tab. List view. Escape.
Wait, what's it do?
Alt tab. Index of Alt tab. Calc 2000.jkm-JAWS Keyboard. Alt F4. Index of /ut. Links list dialog. Links list C. Classic Windows DOM.
That one.
Enter. Index of /utilities. Visited link classic Windows DOM greater. Classic Win tab. Cancel. Shift tab. Save button
Save
to
button.
act. Shift tab. Open button to activate. Press space bar.
I'm actually gonna
Although.
press enter on the open button.
Enter 5%. Close this dialog box when download completes. Checkbox not checked. To check, press spacebar. Alt C. 16%. 93%. 98%. Index of /utilities Microsoft Internet Explorer. Classic Windows DOM greater visited link. 7-zip self-extracting archive dialog. Extract a : edit. OSL settings / temporary internet files / tab shift tab C :
I'm just gonna put the files on the C drive.
Enter. Index of /utilities Microsoft Internet Explorer. Classic Windows DOM greater visited link. Classic Windows DOM greater visited link. 71%. Tab. Creative Sound Blast. Alt F4.
I'll press Windows
R. Run C : enter. Left parent C. Classic Windows themes. Enter. List view. Not select S. Setup.x.
Setup.
Enter. Dolphin installation program. Welcome dialog. Next button. Enter. Please choose the type of enter. U of enter. 14%. Installing classic Windows themes dialog. Science size NESW.cur 16%. Cancel button to activate. Press spacebar. 100%. 100%. Install dialog. The enter. Classic Windows theme. Alt F4.
Now let's go to the control panel.
Start menu. Document set. Help. Run. Shut. Documents. Control enter. Leaving menus. Work. None.
Okay.
Add / remove telephony. Add / remove date / time. Desktop theme.
Desktop themes.
Desktop theme tab. Save as shift tab. Theme : combo box. Current Windows settings 1 of 18. To change the selection, use the arrow keys. Alt T. Current Windows settings.
Current Windows settings.
Baseball left parent 256 color right parent.
We have a bunch of other themes that we could use.
Dangerous creatures left parent 2. Inside your computer left parent. Jungle left parent 2, Leonardo da Vinci left parent 2, Mystery left parent I, Nature left parent I color, Science left parent 200, Space left parent 256 color right, Sports left parent 256, the 60s USA left parent 200, the Golden Era left parent I color, Travel left parent I color right, Underwater left parent I color, Windows default left parent 200, Windows Millennium left parent I color right parent.
I'll press enter.
Enter. Windows Millennium left parent I color right parent. Tab. Delete button to activate. Press space bar. Alt D. Tab. Preview screensaver button to activate. Press space bar. Tab. Previews pointers, sounds, etc. Button to activate. Press space bar. Alt P.
What our current sounds and stuff are. We could see what our current Windows sounds are.
Tab. Settings screensaver checkbox checked. Space not checked. Tab. Settings sound events checkbox checked. Space not checked. Tab. Settings mouse pointers checkbox checked. Space not checked. Shift tab. Settings sound events checkbox space checked. Tab. Settings mouse pointers checkbox not checked. Tab. Settings desktop wallpaper checkbox checked. Space not checked. Tab. Settings icons checkbox checked. Space not checked. Tab. Settings colors checkbox checked. Space not tab. Settings font names and styles checkbox checked. Space not tab. Settings font and window sizes checkbox checked. Space not tab. OK button to add enter. Control panel list.
Now I have a whole bunch of new sounds. Let's go into sounds.
S. SCSI adapt. S. Server. S. Services. M. Modems. M. Mouse. M. Multimedia.
Wait, what was
enter. Multimedia property. None. Playback. Playback volume colon left right slider. 49%. 0%. 100 playback preferred device playback recording recording use OK cancel control panel list S SCSI adapters M modems M mouse M multimedia.
Wait, maybe I have to
enter
apply.
Multimedia none. 100 playback recording OK apply button OK control panel list view. Enter multimedia tab playback preferred device tab playback show volume shift tab playback volume left right slider 1 shift tab audio tab shift tab cancel shift tab use tab space control.
Okay, let's go into sounds.
S SCSI S server S service S sounds work none. Sounds none. Scheme tree view Windows schemes combo box 1 of 3 tree view Windows up level 1 asterisk none name sound details sound button to sound button
sound button allows to play the sound.
Sound button sound tree view close pro scheme save as schemes sound name tree view close critical stop sound button
So it's like tab 4 times and then you'll find a sound button.
Sound button sound tree view default beep sound button sound button tree view exclamation sound button
caps lock on caps lock off
sound browse name tree view exit window sound button sound tree view incoming calls scheme save as tree view maximize sound button sound tree view menu command sound button sound tree view menu pop up sound button sound tree view minimize sound button sound tree view new mail note sound button sound tree view open scheme save as scheme tree view outgoing call scheme save scheme sound tree view out program error sound button sound tree view question sound button sound tree view restore down sound button sound tree view restore sound button sound tree view select night scheme save as tree view show toolbar back scheme save as tree view start windows sound button sound to act tree view system default sound button sound tree view level 0 Windows level 1 complete empty recycle complete scheme save tree view empty sound button Sound, preview, move menu, sound, scheme, save as, preview, start name, sound button, sound, name, preview, level 0, media player, level 1, close program, next, scheme, save, preview, open, next, scheme, save, preview, level 0, sound, level 1, close, next, scheme, save as, preview, open, next, scheme, save as, preview, open program, 2 of 2.
So you have all these new sounds. There are a whole bunch of other sound schemes included in this, and I had to show you guys the Windows Millennium one.
Sounds tab.
Those weren't actually Windows Millennium sounds. They would the different sounds. Sorry for Windows Millennium. So if you're using Windows Millennium, you could improve the sounds and desktop wallpaper and background and stuff. So it was an improvement to the original Windows theme. This will only change. It sounds like it's just revert back to Windows NT 4 default.
Preview, open program, sound, name, sound, browse, name, edit combo, left parent, none, right parent. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the left parent, none, right parent. Sound, browse, schemes, combo box. Save scheme dialog. If you choose a new scheme, no cancel button to activate. Yes button, no button. Cancel, no button to activate. Press spacebar. Alt N. Cancel.
Actually, I'm just gonna use these sounds.
Scheme, OK, cancel, OK.
I like these better than the regular ones.
D, date/D, desktop themes. Alt F4. Windows M, desktop, list view, Internet Explorer, 4 of 8. To move to items, use the arrow keys.
So, that's pretty much it. I mean, you can install this and go through the different themes and see which one you like. These actually do work on Windows 10, at least on my system. But I decided to show them in a VM because this is they were designed for a much older operating system. So what I'll do is I'm going to shut down the virtual machine.
Alt F4, shut down Windows dialog. Are you sure you want to shut down the computer? Radio button checked, 1 of 3. To change the selection, press up or down arrow. Alt S.
I'll press enter to shut down.
Enter. Taskbar. To move through items, press left or right arrow.
Okay. I pressed Control-Alt.
VMware Player dialog. How do you want to close the virtual machine? Suspending will preserve your environment and data for later use. If powering off, make sure that the virtual machine is in a safe state for shutdown. Suspend button Alt S. Power off button Alt P.
Now Windows NT 4 does not power off by itself, so I'm gonna just press enter on power off.
Windows NT 4.0 VM Audacity.
So that's pretty much conclude this podcast. So I will see you guys in the next podcast on maybe another old application or another old synthesizer or something. So if you want to contact me, my email address is datajake@gmail.com. It's datajake@gmail.com. And if you want to contact me on, or if you want to know my audiogames.net screen name, like the name that's on audiogames.net, I am datajake1999, DATAJAKE1999. So that's it, pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next podcast. Bye.
Skype 1 day. Audacity panel track.